The performance of my car is slowly degrading. Pickup and mileage both have become low. Low performance of the engine and low pickup and mileage are caused mainly because of the deposition of carbon in your engine and other parts of the car. More than half of your fuel is wasted when carbon starts to accumulate. Hence, it's important to opt for decarbonizing. As a result, the fuel will burn efficiently and it will give your engine more power and increase mileage up to 60%. Also, the pollution level will decrease. How will I assure that my car has been fully decarbonized? You can compare the PUC Center reports before and after decarbonizing. After decarbonizing, you will notice that the pollution level of your car will decrease from 50 to 80%. Pollution level is high when your car has a lot of carbon accumulated inside it. After cleaning it, the pollution level will surely decrease. Furthermore, after decarbonizing, the mileage rises, engine performance also rises, and the car runs very smoothly. Oh, that's great. Do you need to dismantle the engine in order to clean the carbon? No, sir. We use Hydrotech's advanced and modern decarbonizing technique. It has the power to throw out all the carbon accumulated inside the engine without dismantling it within 30 minutes. Oh, so will you use any sort of chemical? No chemical. Chemical cleaning can cause many problems like corrosion that can deteriorate the engine. Hence, hydrogen cleaning is recommended worldwide. It's safe, fast and cheap. Sounds great. Let's go for it. Wow, the pollution level is 80% less than the previous report. Along with that, my pickup level, mileage and performance have also increased. I will surely recommend Hydrotech's hydrogen decarbonizing to all. It's the best, fastest, safest and cheapest. Want to open your own decarbonizing center? It's a great opportunity to start your own business with low investment and high.
We are Hydrotech, a leading manufacturer and exporter of water to HHO products. Our state-of-the-art products help burn the unburnt fuel and increase the mileage up to 60%. We reduce the maintenance cost and increase the life of vehicles. We have highly efficient engine decarbonization machines which can clean carbon from any engine in just 30 minutes, and that too without any chemical and without opening the engine. All our products are fully automatic and best available in the industry. We established in 2011 and are the first company that started manufacturing of HHO technology products in India. Rest others follow us in this trade. Now let's talk about our network. Our head office is situated in Gandhinagar, Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh, with presence in 14 states in India and having branch offices in 9 states with after-sales service support. We export our world-class products in 6 countries including Saudi Arabia, Kuwait and Russia. Talking about service, nobody can match us in the industry as we provide 2 years guarantee, 6 years warranty and 15 days money back guarantee with our machines. Our service centers are available in more than 11 states and have presence in more than 14 states across India. We are the only company in HHO industry that follows all standard procedures. Our products are CE certified and we are an ISO certified SASO, GMP and ROHS certified company. We have been awarded by India's Leadership Award for the best innovation in automobile sector in India, and we are also working with Bihar Science and Technology Department for more research on HHO products. We are Hydrotech, the HHO leaders of India. We have more than 180 decarbonization centers across India and undertake more than 10,000 cars decarbonizations every month. Customer satisfaction is our motto, and as a result, we have more than 1 million satisfied customers on the planet. We focus on a commercial user training and train them to become professional engine decarbonization expert with our doorstep training module with all SOP procedures as per OEMs. Tork Motors, Motoclinic, Autoblaze, Car Care, Sana Traders, SKV Impex and Sri Innovations are some of our prestigious clients. Join hands with us and earn up to 2 lakhs per month through investment starting with less than 2 lakhs. We are Hydrotech, the HHO leaders of India.
Contact us now to know more about how to claim